Wave design with constant curve layout. Curved layout guides hands into just the right position. Ease and comfort. Cushioned palm rest makes work easier and fun more fun. Longer battery time. This feature gives you up to 3 years of battery life. Battery life based on a calculation of an estimated 2 million keystrokes per year in an office environment. User experience may vary. Logitech Unifying receiver. The tiny unifying receiver stays in your notebook, so there's no need to unplug it when you move around. And you can easily add compatible wireless mice and keyboards to the same wireless receiver. Top reviews from the United States. I wish I'd gotten this years ago. My old keyboard was not pretty. I knew I should probably get a new one. The letters on quite a few keys were gone. I got it in the early 2000s if I recall right. So the thing was about 20 years old. I fully understood it was an ugly keyboard, but it was my ugly keyboard. I didn't want to replace it. Finally I did, and wow, what a difference. I like that it's remote. No wires there. It's got a home button that if I want to go to the top of the page I just click it. I haven't figured all the features out yet. I am not a gamer, so will probably never get to all. I don't use any of the F buttons above the numbers, or the other ones above the F buttons. I also have no idea of what the zoom button or the one with the 3 little windows do. Even though I am using 60% of it, I really enjoy this keyboard. It's very comfy, though comfort is subjective. The way it sits makes it easy to type with. I am not much for the internet on my phone. I like the computer better. I still have my old one as a backup, but I am using this one because I like it better.